Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody is trying to stay at home as much as they can. I know sometimes we can't help it because you know what? Some of us cannot go out there and get a bunch of stuff all at one time, but if you are one of those people like myself, just make sure you're staying safe. Try to keep your hands washed, and I think we'll be good to go, y'all. I hope we're halfway through this. At least I think we are. So just hang in there. So, guys, I got some exciting news for y'all. So, of course, Joe slipped a sneak peek in his Instagram story. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on any spoilers. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video. Shows a confirmed spoiler for the May BoxyCharm base box. Thank you so much, Callie Girl. Callie Girl says, first, love you, girl. Well, I really appreciate that, Callie Girl, honey. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. You just don't know how much that means to me. It just helps me out so much, and I couldn't appreciate it more. I want to thank you so much, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, first of all, excuse the background. The dog is acting up, so you might hear barking and you might hear meowing. So guys, again, Joe showed us a sneak peek of a possible future spoiler in one of his Instagram stories. Now this was also showed at BoxyCharm News, BoxyCharm Sneak Peek, and also Boxy Preview on Instagram as well. We'll show you the clip of Joe sharing this little sneak peek right here in this clip. Now if you noticed, y'all, him and the girl that is standing behind him, they have got these masks on the face. So later on, he puts this on his Instagram, and this is showing 3 different masks with the BoxyCharm logo on it. It shows one that is white with red lips, a red and white one with lines and the red hearts, and then this plain black one with, of course, that BoxyCharm tag, which all of them have that. So he's asking if you would rather see this in a BoxyCharm box, or if you would like to see this at Boxy Pop-Up. Now, he is asking suggestions from everyone, so if you would comment below, what would you like to see this in? They have also announced the dates for the June BoxyCharm Premium boxes and also Boxy Luxe box. So if you want to mark this down in your calendar, you might better do this. So for June BoxyCharm Premium box, that is going to be open Thursday, May 14th. For the June Boxy Luxe box, that is going to be Monday, May 18th. So make sure you get those down. And tell me, which mask do you like best? Now, this could be coming like in a 3-pack. You could get all 3 of these, or it could be individual. Like, if it is that case, if it's not like the 3-pack of them, which one would you like to have? And again, comment below what you would like to see these in. Would you like to see it in Boxy Pop-Up, or would you like to see it in a BoxyCharm box? Let us know. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll let you guys know. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Patricia Holland. Patricia says, I can't wait for my box next month. I know, isn't it exciting waiting on one of those BoxyCharm boxes? I just love it. I love the anticipation too. It's like I'm so jittery. I'm just the most impatient person in this world. But Patricia, I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to steal subscribers. But if you would, check on that for me. And if you're not, well, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free. It's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but y'all ain't going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.